Alright, this is a little swing I bought for my granddaughters. I'm going to add it to their little playground. Got it on Amazon. I want to say it was like $54. Just a little web swing, so I'm going to put it together. I'll leave all the hardware loose until I get them all on. Kind of have to roll this little foam padding back out of the way just a little bit. And you have a large end and a small end. You want to make sure you have them opposite, so small end goes into the large end. I'd have to smack that last one in with a hammer. It's starting, but it's just needs a little help. Let me grab a hammer. Well, you don't need a hammer quite this big, but it's what I had laying here. I'll get a socket and tighten these up. Need a little, maybe a screwdriver or something to stick through the eyelet just to hold it while you tighten the nut. And I'm going to put them so that the eyelet's in line with the tubes, so it's less likely to hit the kid in the side or something. Alright, that's all there is to it for putting it together. Now I just have to hang it up. Alright, so I'm just using a 2x4 for this. Grandkids are small, so it shouldn't take much. I've got this sitting 4 feet 6, a little over 4.5 feet of length sticking out here from the playground. This is a little playground I built a couple years ago. I recently built the ladder for the slide. so they can climb now, so they can climb up there by themselves. And so I've got this marked. I came back in about 6 inches from the end and marked it, and then 16 inches over here, because that's how far apart the hooks are, so the ropes will go straight up. So we're going to drill a hole here and run our eye bolts in, and they just look like this. It's probably let's see if it says on there what size. It does. It is 5/16 diameter by 6 inch long lag screw. So if you're going to go to Home Depot, that's what you want. And we're going to drill a hole probably 1/4 inch or so, maybe a little smaller, and then we're going to run this up in it. And I'm going to have to get some S hooks or something, because this just has round rings on the end. So I'm going to need something to go from this round ring to the lag screw round ring. Alright, so let me drill those holes. I'm going to run a couple of these 6 inch treated, not treated, but coated lag screws in, probably 3 or 4 of them. I think 3 ought to hold it. Just take you a screwdriver or something, stick it in the eyelet, and you can wind it up in there. I just have to find some S hooks or something now to attach the 2 rings together. Alright, I found a couple of these little carabiners. They're not real strong. I'm just going to use them temporarily to hang the swing up to see what it looks like. I will replace these with something stronger. So this is just for see what it looks like hanging. That looks pretty good. Don't mind my junk here. This is my construction site. So yeah, it's pretty low to the ground, but they're 1.5 and 3, so low is probably good right now, so they can get up. There's probably 10 inches of ground clearance there. All right, I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. I think they're gonna love it. Thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.